National Secretary of the BJP, who is also in charge of the Northeast Ek Bharat Shreshta Bharat program, Sunil Deodhar, while speaking to reporters today, informed one of the challenges that the party is facing in Meghalaya is the portrayal of the BJP by the Congress party as one that is anti-Christian. Refuting such allegations by the opposition, Sunil Deodhar said that the BJP intends to strengthen its hold onto Meghalaya. The intention of the BJP to penetrate into Meghalaya and other northeastern states is to bring about law and order, end corruption and discrimination.
The only way to break this ice is to go to people and convince them. Opposition will always try to speak against us. They will try to misguide people. They will try to lie people because they don't want Narendra Modi ji and his party to grow in this state, because it will finish corruption, it will give law and order as other states are getting. There will be no discrimination, as Goa minister who is a Christian Catholic, he said that before BJP had only 2 or 3 MLAs, and every election there was a strong campaigning from Congress specifically that if BJP comes to power then all Christians will be finished, like that. And now he is telling that last 10 years BJP government is there and many Christian ministers are there, MLAs are there, and nothing has happened to Christians. Rather they are flourishing, they are growing, they are prospering, because really we don't have anything, any difference or discrimination for anybody. Not only as a Christian, but if you can see the northeastern people across the country during Congress regime, the amount of discrimination, humiliation, insults used to happen, and every day there was a news from Mumbai, Bangalore, Gurgaon, Delhi, Noida that students are discriminated. And now you are a media person, you try to find out such news for last 9 years, disappeared. I don't say that incidents are not happening, very less, but immediately there is law and order, there is law and awareness, and thanks to social media as well, because the work which media could not do, creating awareness about Northeast across the country, media, social media has done. So now these type of incidents are almost nil, almost nil, very less, few. Even a single incident happens, it's wrong. But you see the amount during Congress what was happening, because for them Northeast was a place to loot money. They used to see Northeast as ATM, just take money in cash. This Gandhi family, dacoits. And now every money sent to Northeast is utilized. See the highways. Modi ji says that I have given Hira, highways, railways, airways.